The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, and this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that Majah Hype released a sex tape about her online or on social media. And this female also said other things about Majah Hype. And according to some things that have been said on social media about this female, it is said that the female was in a relationship with Majah Hype. You see me? And I'm talking about Majah Hype, who is said to be the comedian. You see me? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
So I didn't want to speak about it again, but I knew that it was going to go here. And like I said last night, I'm not letting anyone put me into hiding or shame me under a rock. Now, instead of being a man, Majah Hype, and apologizing publicly to your fans, to me, after everything that I said, instead, you release a sex tape of me and are sending it all over the place, all over the world, a sex tape of me from 10 years ago. What do you think that that is going to prove? What do you think that that is going to prove? You think that that is going to make you look like a better person? Releasing a sex tape of me from years ago, you think that that's going to make you look like a good person? You think that is the answer? So people are sending me this tape left and right from years ago. In the tape, my hair is short, my hair is all black. At the end of my hair is red. You know what? I don't even have to go into that. I don't even have to go into that. I didn't go into detail about what the fuck you did to me. But I'm not going to shut up. You're not going to shut me up and put me under a rock. You're not going to shame me. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed for faking a heart attack, looking for sympathy. You should be ashamed. You broke my phone because you saw that I had all the pictures of my bruises and my face. You broke my phone, and now you're going through my phone and digging up old stuff from my old phone and releasing it to people. When does it stop? When do you take accountability and stop looking for sympathy? You're a sick, sick man, and I'm not keeping your secrets anymore. Every time you try to hurt me, I'm going to tell the truth. I'm going to tell the truth. You didn't have no heart attack. You did not have a heart attack. Okay? Stop looking for sympathy and own your shit. Own what you did to me. I didn't post a picture of my black eyes, of my bruises. You put me in the hospital. I didn't come out and say that. I made a general statement, and this is what I get. You releasing a sex tape of me. You releasing a sex tape of me. Coming up to the end of it, you tried to kill me. You pulled out a gun on me. You pull out a gun on me and then turn around looking for sympathy and cut your arm in front of my face. Start slicing open your arm in front of my face. It's a sick game that you're playing, but I'm not playing a game. This is my life, and you're trying to ruin me. And I know the truth about you. I know who you really are. I know who you really are. I have a son, and you're going to put out a sex tape on me? You want people to think that I was cheating? Is that it? Even if I was, it's no excuse for what you did to me. It's no excuse for what you're doing, what you're still trying to do. And I'm not going to be quiet. You're not going to shame me. Send the sex tape wherever you want. Send it wherever you want. You still have to get up and look in the mirror. You still have to get up and look in the mirror. Nigel, you still have to fight your demons. So you could try to break me down all you want. God knows. God knows what I've been through. I'm too strong. I'm too strong for that. I took your crap for too long. And you still trying to give me the business? Sending a sex tape? Listen. I don't even want to come on here with that energy. I'm so furious. I'm so tired of you thinking that you have that power and control over me. I'm not going to be quiet. I'm not going to be quiet. Leave me alone. You have my phone. You cloned my phone. You downloaded to your computer all my personal stuff. I was expecting this, for you to leak my nudes, for you to leak whatever it is that I had on my phone. And I'm still here, and I'm still saying I never cheated on you. Everything that you're putting out there is from years ago. Stop lying to people. Stop lying to people. Put your discharge paper out from the hospital. Put that out. Put that out. Let them see what they released you with, what your diagnosis with. Chest pains, unspecified type. You didn't have a heart attack. Say you have a heart attack in the same night you get out. You want to fight me? You want to pull out a gun on me? Break my phone? Crash into my car? Listen. We're not gonna do this no more. We're not gonna do this no more. What you should have done was come on here and apologize and make a public apology and acknowledge and own up to the person that you've been and seek help. But you continue your narcissist behavior with releasing that tape of me. You're disgusting. You're a disgusting man. And everyone around you that's hyping you up, making you feel like what you're doing is right, that's not making you look better. You look like a piece of crap that you are. You look like a piece of crap. You're a sad, sad man. You're a sad person. And you're not gonna fucking take me down with you. You're not. Send your sex tape. Do whatever you need to do. You're ridiculous. You're ridiculous. All the shit that you done to me, I kept it a secret. Everything that I've been through with you, I've been keeping a secret. After I'm gone, you still trying to hurt me. You still trying, like, I don't understand who does that. Who says they love somebody, wanted to marry them, asked them to marry them, and could do that to them, could beat them, could hit them, could black both of their eyes like that. And then you mad because I leave. You mad. Every time I leave, you mad. You want to talk about me. I'm this and I'm that. Tell them what you did. Tell them what you did. Tell them when I left you, you did voodoo on me. Tell them that. I have the paper. I have the paper. You're sick. And you're talking about spiritual warfare. You the fucking demon. You're the demon. You're the demon. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. I'm not going out like that. I'm not letting him do that to me. Sex tapes and you posting fucking prayers and all of this stuff, and it's you the devil? You the devil? Go ahead and keep looking for sympathy. You're sick. You're sick. Who does that to someone that they said they love? You could have never loved me. You could have never. Yeah, let everyone log on and talking about that video that you post, that you're fucking sending around of me, your old ass video. You're disgusting. I knew that was gonna happen. You have my phone. You cloned my phone. You looking through my stuff, old stuff you digging up. You're the one that was. How do you get caught cheating? How do you get caught cheating? Your first response is to snatch my phone. You want to go through my phone. You are sick. You're sick. You're a sick person. I never call the cops on you. I never call the cops on you. I never did nothing like that to you. Still trying to protect you and your image and your career, this facade you put on to be this positive person. People don't know. People don't know who you are, but I know who you are. So keep trying to what you want people to think. I'm a slut, whatever you want people to think. All of this stuff, it don't make you look like a good man, sir. It don't make you look like a good man. So that's what I'm dealing with, y'all. I spoke my truth last night, and I'm on a journey of healing, and that's the next thing that hits this morning. Everybody's sending me a video of me having sex with somebody from years ago. He wants people to think that's a recent video. I'm not a cheater. You are, sir. I'm not abusive. You are, sir. If people saw my face, I still didn't post any pictures of my face. I don't understand. After everything that you've done to me, you still can't humble yourself. You still can't take accountability. You really need help. You really need help. You really need help. Y'all, this man This man that y'all idolize and y'all think is so great, he will go to any lengths to be a victim, to be right, to ruin me. He's done it time and time before. I expect a word. Because I was nervous last night that I didn't touch there, but I meant to say that I knew that he was going to try to expose my nudes. I knew that he was going to do that. But you were digging a deeper hole for yourself, sir. Everybody got a naked picture. Everybody got something from their past that they ashamed of. That video was not recent. You sending it to people and you got a bigger problem. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you seek help, because this ain't the answer for you.
Viewers, subscribers, these are some strong things that this female said about Majah Hype. You see me? Yeah, these are some very strong things. You see me? You know, you see, me is the kind of person, I don't really like to just judge when me hear certain things at a certain time. You see me? Because you see, sometimes when persons get angry, you know, sometimes persons will say some things. And I'm not saying that this person is lying, you know. You see me? No, I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that, you know, I'm not the kind of person who just quick to judge. You see me? I said to you, you know, this person mentioned some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that Majah Hype lied about saying that he had a heart attack or something like that. You see me? You know, some time ago I saw a post on social media where it is said that Majah Hype had been hospitalized. You see me? I'm wondering if that has something to do with some of the things that this person talked about in this video. You see me? I'm hear the person mention voodoo. You see me? Voodoo. All gun. Me hear the person mention all gun. See me? And the sex tape thing now. This person said some strong things about Majah Hype. You see me? Yeah, this person said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that she had been physically abused as well as mentally abused by the person who goes by the name of Majah Hype. You see me? Yeah, and Majah Hype is said to be a comedian. You understand? Viewers and subscribers. Oh, I hear the person mention a part where the person said something about wanted or wanting to marry. You know what I mean? So, you know, that gives me the understanding that they are not married. That's the understanding that I get according to some of the things that have been said in that video, you know. You know what, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm just going to leave it right here. You see what I say? I mean, I only hope and wish the best for these two persons. And I'm talking about the female in the video and the person that the female talked about in the video who is said to be Majah Hype. You understand? I only hope that this whole thing will somehow turn out to be a positive thing for both of these persons, because I only wish the best for each and every one. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media, and this video is being talked about on social media. So, you know, I bring it to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You see what I said to you? And you can also let me know what to think about some of the things that this person had said. You see me? And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm me name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.